Divorce Mediation Checklist. Documents and financial preparation for a successful mediation session. Divorce mediation offers New York couples a peaceful, cost-effective alternative to litigation. Its success depends on careful preparation. Entering a session without organized paperwork or a clear financial picture can delay proceedings, increase expenses, and lead to disappointing results. Prepared couples resolve matters more quickly and with greater satisfaction. Preparation shows good faith, saves money, ensures you have the information to negotiate effectively, and speeds the process. In New York mediation, the statement of net worth is central. This sworn affidavit required by state law summarizes your family situation, monthly expenses, income, assets, liabilities, and legal fees. Because it is notarized, false or incomplete information may lead to court sanctions. Both spouses must complete and exchange this statement and should collect documents to verify every entry. When gathering income evidence, focus on recent tax returns, pay stubs, employment agreements, and benefit summaries. Include paperwork for bonuses, stock options, and benefits such as Social Security or disability payments. For a complete picture of your resources, gather statements for bank and investment accounts and retirement plans. Dividing employer-sponsored plans usually requires a court-approved order that costs money and takes time. Real estate and debts are equally important. Provide deeds and current mortgage statements for your home and other properties, along with appraisals or tax bills to establish value and costs. Bring recent statements for credit cards and loans, and consider obtaining credit reports so all liabilities are disclosed. Insurance, business interests, and legal documents can affect settlement discussions. Note your current health insurance coverage, its cost and who it covers, and provide details of life insurance policies and their beneficiaries. List insurance policies for vehicles and property to help calculate future expenses. If either spouse owns a business, compile recent financial statements and tax returns and be prepared to show operating agreements or valuations. Bring prenuptial or postnuptial agreements and any court orders concerning support, custody, or protective issues, along with a certified copy of your marriage certificate. Certified copies can be obtained from the New York County Clerk or the Manhattan Marriage Bureau. Beyond collecting documents, create an inventory of all assets and debts and classify each item as marital or separate. Under New York's equitable distribution rules, marital property is divided fairly rather than equally. If you believe an asset is separate, gather records showing when and how you obtained it. Developing a realistic post-divorce budget covering housing, living expenses, children's costs, insurance premiums, and debts helps you understand your needs and informs negotiations. Basic tax considerations matter. Property transfers in divorce are generally tax-free, alimony is no longer deductible or taxable, and dividing retirement plans correctly avoids penalties. Consulting a financial or tax professional may be wise. Mental and emotional readiness also matter. Identify your priorities and accept that compromise is necessary. Many people consult an attorney on a limited basis to review documents and explain their rights, while financial advisors or therapists can offer support. Approach mediation with realistic expectations, focus on future solutions, and practice respectful communication. Avoid common missteps. Failing to disclose assets or debts harms your credibility and risks legal consequences. Waiting until the last minute to gather paperwork invites errors. Treat mediation as a cooperative process rather than a contest. Avoid making decisions in anger and verify the information your spouse provides. Do not agree to terms you do not fully understand. Thorough preparation turns mediation into a manageable process. By assembling financial documents, inventories, and budgets and bringing a cooperative mindset, you position yourself for a fair and efficient resolution. The agreements you reach will shape your finances and, if you have children, your parenting arrangements for years to come. Investing time and effort now protects your future. For guidance with divorce mediation preparation, contact Juan Luciano, divorce lawyer at 347 Fifth Avenue, STE 1003, New York, New York, 10016, United States, or call 212-537-5859.